This is my first solo wild camping overnighter. I'm in a woods quite close to home, but it's a very busy woods. There's a lot of people walking dogs. There's also quite a lot of deer here, so they might be making a bit of noise at night time. Hopefully they'll be all out in the fields during the night. They normally come here during the day. It's a bit quieter, a bit more shelter, somewhere to hide. Here goes. I'm going to put up a basher now. I bought two with me. I bought my old 58 pattern RV poncho, and I bought a 3x3 meter tarp. So that was a quick demonstration of how I used to camp before. I used to camp out quite a lot when I was younger, and the 58 pattern poncho was my favourite bit of kit. You can see how quickly it goes up with a few bungees, a couple of pegs. I would have had one of those, I don't know if you remember them, maybe you still get them, but you used to have the emergency the orange bivy bag, emergency bivy bag. It's made out of quite a thick plastic, and I used to just lay it in there flat as a ground sheet, and I'd have a yellow roll mat on top of that, and then a sleeping bag. As you can see, there's enough room in there for one person. The hood I would have had tied up on the outside. I wrapped around there some cordage, and if needs be, for a little bit more height, you could hang that from a tree above. Well, that's morning now. That's my first time solo. I felt whenever I've been out while camping before, it's been with other people, and it was a long time ago. So yeah, wasn't 100% success. I was quite cold during the night, so I managed to get some sleep. I've got 5 hours 20 minutes sleep, which wasn't too bad. It felt like a lot less than that. I was quite cold during the night. About 1 o'clock in the morning I had to put a coat on. I only came out with a blanket. I think maybe it's a little bit too early in the year for just a blanket. Should really have a hot water bottle. No. It's a bit early in the year just to have a blanket. Should really have a sleeping bag. I think the biggest thing that I got wrong really is because I did this on spur of the moment. I checked the weather forecast, and I could see the next few days are going to rain, so I had to sort of like, tonight was the night, you know. I grabbed all my kit, chucked it in the bag, into my rucksack,
and off I went. The problem was when I got here, I didn't know where anything was, so I spent a lot of time rummaging through my rucksack, trying to find things. What else? The mat, sleep mat. I think I need to upgrade. I found that quite uncomfortable sleeping on that. I think nowadays most people are using inflatable airbeds. I think I might go the same way. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed that. That's my first time solo. First time out camping in over 30 years. Yeah. Until next time.